Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Natural Hub. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of herbal wonders to explore the incredible benefits and uses of chamomile. If you're curious about this gentle flower and its potential contributions to your well-being, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more fascinating health and wellness content. Now let's delve into the calming world of chamomile. What is chamomile? Chamomile, with its delicate white flowers and soothing aroma, has been cherished for centuries as a herbal remedy. Derived from the Asteraceae family, this gentle flower is celebrated for both its calming properties and potential health benefits. Active compounds and health benefits. The magic of chamomile lies in its active compounds, such as chamazoline and apigenin. These compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and relaxing effects. As a result, chamomile has become a popular choice for those seeking natural solutions to various health concerns. Calming and sleep aid. One of the standout benefits of chamomile is its ability to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. Whether enjoyed as a warm tea before bedtime or incorporated into aromatherapy, chamomile can help create a sense of calmness, making it an excellent natural remedy for those struggling with sleep issues. Digestive support chamomile has also been traditionally used to support digestive health. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help ease digestive discomfort, reduce bloating, and relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. A warm cup of chamomile tea after a meal can be a soothing addition to your routine. Skincare and anti-inflammatory uses. Beyond internal benefits, chamomile is renowned for its topical uses. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, chamomile can be applied to the skin to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and promote overall skin health. It's a gentle yet effective addition to your skincare routine. Allergy relief. Surprisingly, chamomile may even offer relief for those with allergies. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms like nasal congestion and skin irritations associated with allergic reactions. Incorporating chamomile into your routine during allergy seasons might provide some welcome relief. Forms and usage. Chamomile is incredibly versatile and is available in various forms, including tea bags, essential oil, and topical creams. Whether you choose to sip on a calming chamomile tea or enjoy its benefits in other forms, it's a delightful addition to a wellness routine. In conclusion, chamomile is a true champion in the world of herbal remedies, offering a range of benefits from promoting relaxation to supporting skin health. While it's generally considered safe for most people, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are pregnant. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Thanks for joining us today on Natural Hub. If you enjoyed this video, explore our other herbal remedy guides. Subscribe for more and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.